Transformers are vital to our electrical grid, but they are not perfectly efficient. Eddy currents are the invisible drain inside a transformer, causing energy to escape as heat. Transformers lose energy in two primary ways: copper losses and core iron losses. Copper losses occur in the wire windings. Core iron losses, which include hysteresis and eddy currents, occur in the magnetic iron core and destroy transformer efficiency. Alternating current creates a changing magnetic field governed by Faraday's law. This changing magnetic flux induces an electromotive force, which drives circular currents inside the metal. Engineers call these loops eddy currents. The cycle of eddy current formation begins with AC current flows. The varying current shifts the magnetic flux, inducing voltage in the iron core. This voltage then pushes electricity into swirling closed loops. The swirling currents generate destructive heat due to the electrical resistance of the iron cores. This is described by the formula P equals I squared R. The friction converts electrical energy into heat, which damages insulation, shortens lifespan, and increases operational costs. Eddy current loss follows a strict mathematical rule. Loss is proportional to the square of flux density, frequency, and thickness, and is directly proportional to volume. Thicker core materials and larger volumes multiply the heat. Core iron losses include both eddy current loss and hysteresis loss. Eddy currents are induced circulating loops, while hysteresis is magnetic domain reversal. Engineers use different solutions for each, such as laminations for eddy currents and better magnetic materials for hysteresis. Laminated cores break the large current loops found in solid cores. Engineers slice the solid iron core into thin, insulated sheets called laminations. This insulation blocks large electrical loops, allowing currents to form only tiny, weak loops, which means less heat. The physics of lamination thickness show that loss scales with the square of thickness. Halving the thickness reduces the energy loss to 1/4. Power transformers use sheets as thin as 0.27 to 0.5 millimeters thick. Higher resistivity materials choke the current. Electrical resistance fights the flow of current. Engineers select materials like silicon steel or ferrites, which have high natural resistance, to reduce the size of the eddy current. Modern design combines optimized thickness, high resistivity using amorphous metal alloys, and controlled volume through computer-simulated geometry. These combined choices can lower energy loss by 70%. Eddy currents are not always a problem. They can be harnessed for practical use. Induction cooktops use swirling currents to heat pans, roller coasters use magnetic fields for smooth braking, and metal detectors use induced loops to find buried objects. Eddy currents are an unavoidable physical reality. Engineers control this reality through smart design and better materials, minimizing energy loss and ensuring grid reliability for a more efficient world.